Assalamu alaikum. After qualifying the written part of CSS examination, a 2-day psychological assessment takes place. The candidates are given with multiple activities in these 2 days. One of the activity which is given on the second day is the command task. Command task is a committee-like activity. The candidates will be provided with the real-life situations and problems which are faced by the civil servants on their daily basis. They got the scenario in written form and they're supposed to analyze the situation deeply and come up with solutions, strategies and suggestions. The candidates will be provided with the 15 minutes of preparation and 7 to 8 minutes for presentation. The time limit varies with respect to the size of the group. The purpose of command task is to assess the leadership skills, the analytical skills, the time management and the crisis management of the candidates.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us today in this meeting. As you know that Muharram is a very pertinent issue and it is a very security-centric situation. So we have gathered today here to discuss how we can run smoothly all the processions and all the district-related, administration-related and police-related matters in these days. In order to secure the well-being and the health of the people who are involved and who are the participants in these procedures. So the house is open for the suggestions. For the suggestions, I would like to invite the media personnel, the intelligence committee representatives, the police, representatives of the Al-Tashi community, Imam Barga Association and Medical Association in this regard. Please come up with the good suggestions regarding how we can conduct smooth processions in these days.
So as you mentioned before that the security risk is incredibly high and the situation is an incredibly critical one to manifest and showcase the capabilities of the law enforcement agencies. Keeping in view this and moving forward, I believe that channeling the processions through better designated routes would be the utmost priority of the police force. And therefore, we have cordoned off several critical routes and we have also closed off certain areas where we believe that the security risk is incredibly high. Furthermore, we are also in coordination with the intelligence agencies to search for certain spoilers and certain non-state actors who could basically cause the situation to evolve in quite a disastrous one for us. Furthermore, we have also geofenced the entire region. Wherever the procession goes, our technology also follows it as well. So the law enforcement is absolutely up to date with each and every movement of the protesters.
Thank you, sir. If you could, thank you for this for such a comprehensive report. If you could please update me regarding the category A, B, and C of the processions. What is the number of deployment of the police personnel and what is the situation on ground?
So given the fact that the category A regions have an incredibly high security risk, so therefore we increased the number of police officers stationed in category A. And we have also contacted the health forces as well as the emergency services to remain in touch with those police officers in case of any unfortunate accident. Whereas category B is also within our control, as I already mentioned that we cordoned off the entire region.
Thank you, sir, for such a comprehensive report. Do we have representatives from the intelligence?
Sir, basically we'll monitor the overall situation and we'll share the hourly report with you. We'll also coordinate with the police as mentioned by the representative of the police and we'll to avoid any undesirable situation in the district, sir.
Have you done anything regarding the profiling of the key?
Yes, sir, we have completed that task and we'll share the report with you as soon as possible.
Thank you. Any representative from the media?
Yes, sir. As a representative from the media department, we will ensure that the prescribed alternate routes will be discussed and will be shared with the public in order to ensure the smooth flow of the traffic. And along with that, we are working with the Ministry of Religious Affairs in order to start programs to promote inter-sect harmony, which will eventually work on the heart sentiments against any particular sect of the society.
Thank you, Miss. Have you coordinated with the police to get the alternate traffic routes?
Yes, certainly, sir. We have all the details for that.
Thank you, Miss. Any representative from the Al-Tashi community?
As a representative of the LA community, I would like to ensure that we've had a very detailed conference just before this meeting, and we have decided and we are making sure we have taken every step that there will be no hate speech, and we've made sure that all arrangements are perfect to make sure that everything runs very smoothly. Also, we have instructed all the organizers that the COVID SOPs will be strictly maintained and followed, and there would be no violations in accordance with that. We will also be working in close coordination with the district administration to make sure that any of the concerns of the people involved are being addressed as soon as possible.
Thank you, Miss. Your efforts are highly appreciated. Any representative from the Imam Barga Association?
Yes, sir. Thank you for having me here. I'm a member of the Imam Barga Association. I would like to inform you that the area under consideration, we have around about 5 Imam Bargas under that area, and all those Imam Bargas will have a gathering of about 500 people. We have informed all the participants who would be participating that they must wear masks. It is requested that security for all these Imam Bargas be provided so that the safety of the people could be ensured. Thank you.
Thank you. As you mentioned, safety of the people reminds me of the medical department. Any representative from the medical department?
Says safety of the people is our most important priority, and for this I will make sure that there is available space in the relevant hospitals of the emergency wards, and I'll also make sure that sufficient number of doctors and ambulances are also present on all the crucial points of the procession in order to avoid any kind of mishaps.
What is the current number of doctors that you have?
Sir, we currently have 20 doctors on board for this
Can they be
procession.
deployed on 9th and 10th Muharram? All of them?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you all for your presence, and you all are requested to work in close coordination so that these days can be spent smoothly. Especially the intelligence and the police, your close coordination is very pertinent, and all the other concerned departments, they are more than welcome if they need any assistance from the administration department. We'll try to meet tomorrow. If in case we don't meet tomorrow, the next meeting will be conducted on the day after tomorrow. Thank you.